woman is more educated than man? Guys, let me know in the comment section below. What do you think? Is women are more educated than men? Let's have this discussion this morning. Okay, so I was reading Linda note that she left me in the comment section. She said facts is, because I on the video that I posted the other day saying that I was watching this video where they said Jamaican people don't read. And I think that's where this video come from. I didn't screenshot the video. I forgot. I didn't realize that I didn't screenshot it. But I screenshot Linda comment because I wanted to talk about it. And I wanted to know if you guys think. I think that is true. But anyways, let me read Linda comment and let you guys tell me what you think in the comment section too. But I'm gonna share my view on this one. She said, facts is women are better educators than men. The university college number bear this out. Some man would rather put a girl/woman through school, pay for school fee instead of going to school themselves. And she replied, gentlemen, stop it. Get a trade for yourself of schooling a woman, and when she's qualified, she drop you like a hot potato because you no meet her standard again. And out of your heart, disappointment you do where you nothing do and end up doing 20 years. So out of your heart, you are gonna do what you have to do. So what Linda is saying that you need to get a skill for yourself because women are more educated. I said that in the college, in the university. More women out there go to school. A man will send a woman to school. A true she talk. Hey, back in the days, man can't bother with school. Big man them send how much woman for go do nursing. I know it maybe calm down, because it's spread out so much. Back in the days, so many man send woman go to school, and then when the woman them get qualified, them no business about the man no more. Them drop them like a hot potato. Truth, she thought this is a very common thing in our culture back then. Me don't know if it's still a go on right now, but she said the college number said so, and how she type her message, she's a very educated person, you can tell. But I'm just saying that if we don't believe, say man is more. And let me tell you, me not say. You see me comparing me to my husband. You see me think more on a wider scale. You see, my husband is not that him don't think, him come up with logics. Him come up with logics, and sometimes he will come up with more facts faster than me. But because me expand my facts in a many different ways, while him will just come up with one logic facts. And when him listen to me, him say me correct. Yesterday we were having a discussion, and me I go talk about this in another video because me want to share something with you. We were having this discussion, and him come up with him point of view, but what I was sharing is way more fact than what he was telling me. All right. So, but me I go share that with you in a different, because it's a total different topic, and them say me I mix up my topic them too much. But as some stay now, I'm just being myself. But let me know in the comment section if you don't feel that way there, because yeah, me feel like a woman is way more stronger mentally, and of course me think so we're smarter than man. Me know so man them are gonna come for me, but we smarter, we outdo and me I gonna share one thing with you. You see a woman cannot cheat, and the man no know, Yes, the man no know. But you see if a man a cheat, a woman quicker to find out. And that is just one thing. And you see where me go? The cheating part. Because you have to be clever for the woman not find out. You have to be extremely clever. Because simple thing we can look on is how relationship drop, or you treat your partner. And dig some woman dig up their woman, them the underpants, and then find out things. We got one different story or some mistake. Me all over the place. No pay me no mind. But I'm just saying a woman is more like they're more vigilant when it come on to certain things. Them see things from afar and them see things quicker than a man. A lot of times I've seen things. A lot of times. And woman talk to me about things. Remember I know me know a whole heap of people. Me only have one loyal friend in America, but me know a whole heap of people. Whole heap of people. And people share things with me. That's why sometimes we can tell in a story of what people shared me. Sometimes it can be a year ago, it can be just now, it can be recent, it can be somebody tell me and say me can talk about it on my show. Right now, I have this person when me know back home where she'll go through it with her partner and she want to share her story with me and she want me to talk about it. So people do tell me things and say, share the story upon and then in the comment section I look. So when me share a story more time, the person will tell me about the story, them in the comment section. But you know just now gonna know who. Cause me not tell. Me not call people name and that was from me when me look a bit. Me not company I gonna call up people name. No, me I say a person now, uno get the message. Uno not have to know who. Anyways, uno tell me what you think in the comment section. Please remember to hit the like button. I me really want to know if you don't feel that way, but I've been feeling that way for forever. Like we are way more smarter, but when it come on to education, certain things where a man do, some woman now go, some woman not really interested in it. Some woman do interested in some things, some don't. Like say a mechanic, certain jobs, certain kind of things. To be a leader, a man role is to be a leader. Them supposed to lead. But when it come on to smart, I think we are more smarter than man. Our brain was what is okay, so I was getting a call. Um I just come back to just share this with you. There was a time when I had a food truck and maybe it's still on this channel. I had a food truck and I wanted to go out and I build a food truck and you know, um that truck was parked here in my yard and I was using it like to season up meat and stuff. But I was supposed to get it by the time it inspected. But I was cooking on Saturday, so just my close friends and my family. And when my business started, people started to tell people about my food, and I used to like see people like want to pop up here, there, and there, and a lot. But I was just cooking for just close people that I know, and so my daughter went ending up post it one time on Instagram, and I'm like, why did you do that? I'm not out there yet and so forth. But if that food truck was out there and I was cooking, that business would have maybe extend down to maybe 1 4 5 food truck because I love cook. But the fact of the matter is I couldn't cook for everywhere. So I'm telling you, when you have a passion for something, go ahead and do it. Several times I'm sitting here and I said to myself, I should really have at least 5 restaurants out there already because food is really my passion and I love doing it. So I'm gonna just come back here because somebody called me, and every time somebody called me, like if I cook at an event, every time people say, Donna, your food was delicious. Like every time when me cook, like me, meaning like me have something on me here, like me key party, like my birthday party, my kids them party, and them invite people. I saw people get to know say me can cook. So people know, cause me cook a lot of food in this yard when we having events. Sometimes you're looking at my backyard. Maybe if you follow me on Facebook over the years, you will know. Like sometimes I post pictures and videos of food when I prepare and me I talk about me alone, cook them, you know. So people know some I love cook. So people I reach out to me and ask me if me I do dishes, me I do plates, take out and them something. No, me not do that. No, do not. Because first of all, in New Jersey, it is not legal, and me not get myself in no trouble. you know, not illegal. If me didn't want state where it legal, me would have do it. But in illegal at Jersey, I mean, not take up no problem put on my head. That's it. Me did I do it because, and it was just my sister-in-law. She was the one who said, "You the woman, you not work on Saturday. You can cook some food and sell it back to where cook some food and we pay you back what they." And that's how me started. Until me just say, you know me, I get a food truck. Because my sister and my daughter will send me go to jail and make me go come out, go make the people them come on the food truck, come cook and pick up them food. So that was what me did want to do until me just say, you know, I sell the food truck because what me did want to do is to have a food truck right here, so, and make people come here, come pick it up, which was not a good idea either, but I that me building in my head, that trust me building in my head from day one. And it never worked out. It crushed me, you know, guys. It crushed me, me I tell you. It's like a vision just tamper with. I have this space there, so it's like my vision when me have the big space in the front of the yard there, so for the truck park, and the wind that turn to the road, people are walk past the picnic, them a come from school, them order them food, I right as somebody did want to do it. Me build up all sink in my basement for wash my big pot them and them something there. I was my crush. When them tell me say me should I go to me ask them, you know, me ask the permit department, me call them down there, me go down there and me talk to them and them say me can't do it. Never know say me supposed to do go through zoning and them never tell me nothing. Remember them I do all of the permits them, you know. And them I do all of the permits them and them I go tell me say me could I do it here, so please. Anyways, it crushed me. See, anytime I have a vision and I have a plan and somebody crush it, me just not feel comfortable out there on the street. If me want to use the bathroom, I have bathroom in my basement. I have one side where me set up one little kitchen and it big, down there big, and everything close up and block off. Down there is big. Kitchen lock off, kitchen have it one door, the bathroom over the other section, the laundry room over the other section, and a big place in the middle where you keep my party down there. So it is big, and me have my vision. I have my vision of what me want to do, and them just come and just shatter it. After me go through everything already, that was the last thing me get to understand. When them inspect the truck and pass it, the man at the permit department said, "I've been doing this job for so many years, how many decades, and I have never seen a truck this beautiful. Never. I have invested so much in that truck. Never even make it back when me sell it, but me just said, sure, can't bother. I have a truck park up in my yard for 2 years. I bring down the value. That's how frustrated I was. Because it took a toll on me. It really did. It's just me. It's just me. If me there in the truck, I'ma feel like me want to go use the bathroom. Where me go? Me just go where me go use the bathroom. Me never feel comfortable. When me I anger my food, me anger it with dignity and pride. Me just never see myself out the on the street to do it. If me want to use the bathroom and knowing say me there work, me want to make sure say me proper clean, proper use bathroom, wash and consistently cover up myself if me have to cover up myself with a plastic or something for that. Me paranoid. That's why me not like buy food I road, you know, guys. Me not like buy food anyway. No, me don't. But me just come back for share this with them. Me gone. Me have my appointment. Me soon or tomorrow. Bye, guys. Yeah, me gonna go to my appointment now later. Love you, no bye. Oh, please remember to hit the like button. Me just come spill my gut because of the lady call me and tell me say she have about 8 people what she want. She would have want to have like a meals to them. Like plate for them all the time. Like different menu all the time. Tell her no. Then would have to just order through Uber Eats. But she taste my food and she knows my food good and she enjoy my food because she did have a party here one time where she asked me if she could have keep the party here. And she keep the party here, but I made it cook for them. And she pay me for cook for them. So that was it. Then no semi food taste good. Can't tell her no my business. Bye again. Mwah.